One of the most common questions we get on the home energy line is about energy use. Many people ask,
how can I save energy at home?
Your largest energy use at home, hands down, is heating and cooling. And while there's a multitude of things that you can do to save energy, one of the easiest is just to either turn your thermostat down in winter or to turn it up in summer. Every time you adjust your thermostat, either up or down a degree for 8 hours, it's gonna make a difference. Your next largest area of energy use is hot water heating, which a lot of people don't think about, but it's easy to save. Keep your water heater at no more than 125 degrees and no less. You can insulate your hot water pipes. You can focus on just using less water with low flow shower heads and sink aerators. And don't forget, just wash clothes in cold, not hot. And that's your next largest opportunity to save, your washer and dryer. Besides washing in cold, the other things you can do are make sure that wash machine is full with laundry. Then when it comes to drying, small things add up, like using dryer balls, cleaning the lint filter, and switching out loads while the dryer is actually still warm. Next, take a look at your lighting. Now it's cheaper and makes all the sense in the world to completely go all LED. They come in a wide range of different colors, and you absolutely will be saving energy. In fact, Focus on Energy has free kits that you can order online and have shipped to your house with free LED bulbs. Now let's move to the kitchen. Your refrigerator is the next place to save. The easiest ways to do that are by making sure it's actually full, keeping the temperature between 35 and 38 degrees, and cleaning the condenser coils. You know those coils along the back or underneath? If those get gunked up, that decreases your efficiency. Finally, there's this category of other. And today's day and age, that category has expanded. Things like gaming, sound bars, tablets, Chromebooks, you name it. And to really manage energy savings for this other category, your best bet is to get an advanced power strip. These advanced power strips are smart and actually help you manage all those other gadgets being on and using little bits of electricity. All these small steps do add up to make a difference. Lots of research has been done to identify large energy users, so don't delay. Start saving energy today.